Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW M3 GTR in Need for Speed Unbound. This iconic car is a special reward, not a standard purchase. You'll need to complete the entire story mode and win the final grand event. Alternatively, an EA Play subscription can grant you online access. Preparing your vehicle and mastering the race are key steps. Let's dive into the details of unlocking this legendary ride. To unlock the final race, known as the Grand, you must first progress through the main story, which typically takes around 23 hours. This involves winning all 4 weekly qualifiers leading up to the main event. You'll also need a substantial amount of in-game cash for the entry fee and 4 distinct cars, each prepared for a different performance tier. Proper vehicle preparation is crucial for success in the Grand. You'll need to select and upgrade 4 high-performance cars, one for each required tier, ideally reaching S+ tier for the final segment. Focus on tuning your vehicles for optimal speed and precise handling. Equipping parts that enhance acceleration and nitro effectiveness will give you a significant edge during the challenging races. Winning the BMW M3 GTR requires mastering the final event. Familiarize yourself with the track layouts and challenging turns. Strategically use your nitro boosts to gain advantages and overtake opponents. Crucially, avoid collisions to maintain your speed and position throughout the race. Finish first in this ultimate challenge, and the iconic BMW M3 GTR will be yours to own in career mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.